everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to show you how I repress powder products. This is my Shade and Light contour palette, my Kat Von D. This is the ones that you can pop out, which I am going to do to make it easier, but while I'm here I just went ahead and wiped off the top with a Clorox wipe. But there you can see these two pans are, I could probably still kind of get around the edges, but I want to go ahead and repress these, and so I can get more use out of them. I do have replacements for them, but I don't want to put those in till I absolutely have to have it. So with this palette, oops, they have little holes here where you can pop them out. So let me carefully do that. Put my hand in here. There we go. Okay. Boy, and this palette needs a good cleaning, so I will go ahead and do that while I'm here, but I'm just going to show you what I do. So here I am. This is Subconscious, and this one is Sombre. And what I do first is I will take a dropper with alcohol, and I am going to wet this. I'm going to go ahead and do both of them while I'm at it so they can be softening. Okay. Let it get soft. I'll go with this one first. Now I'm going to start breaking it apart. Now this takes a while, so I'm going to do this, probably fast forward it and play some nice music while you're watching. There we go. There's the first one. That will have to set and dry. It is wet, so I won't be using this for probably about 24 hours. It may dry before then, but yeah, I'm going to wait for 24 hours. And there is some imprint from my paper towel, but I don't care. That doesn't bother me because I'm just working on this to be able to use my product up more. Okay. Let's put some more in. I'm going to start on this one. Okay, there's my second one. So, and this one left me a little residue I need to clean up. Here, there we go. But there are my two pans. Now they are pressed, ready to dry, and then it'll be easier for me to pick up my product now that I've moved it to the center. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Guys, stay safe, stay well, and I will see you next time.